Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 6th, and we're going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is extremely clear on the monthly. I really think the clarity is on the monthly time frame for the yen pairs. I think this is an A, 3 ways down for a B, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. And I think just to end this trend, we're going to have to make a wave 4, which will probably last 6 to 8 months, then a wave 5 that's potentially will last another 6 to 8 months, just to finish off this wave C. And I really still see no evidence that the wave 3 is actually over, and it still could continue up even from here. So heading down to the weekly time frame, we had a big push up, down I mean, but we still don't have a breaker structure. We still have no proof that the wave 3 is actually over. There's always a chance that this does go up and make a new high. And with the 4-year uptrend that we're looking at on the yen pairs, I really wouldn't be surprised at all if it did go up and make a new high. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have a fib bounce. This move down to me looks like a trend though. I would actually say this is either an A or 1. I would think that the next move would be a correction to that move down, either B or 2. But we have to keep in mind sometimes what we think is a way B, and especially if we're talking about the yen pairs, sometimes it just keeps on drifting up. Even though I think it needs to make an A, a B, and then it needs to go down to either make a C, which would look like that, or maybe a 3, which would just keep on making higher, lower lows, lower highs. Either way, we have to be aware that sometimes what we think is a wave B is actually the continuation of the uptrend. So definitely be aware that we are in an uptrend on the weekly and monthly that is definitely still not proven to be over. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it's kind of hard to see, but it definitely is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down, either A or 1. I would now expect this to go up and make some sort of a 3-way pattern, some sort of an A, B, C. Probably A, B, C of B or A, B, C of 2. Probably at least up to the 61 at a 50% Fibonacci retracement, then go down for a wave C. But like I said, you never know, especially with the yen pairs. This could easily just keep on going up very easily. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it is very likely that it is going to make its way up over the next, few days to a few weeks. I think we're going to make our way up for some sort of an A, a B, and a C. Just like I was explaining on the higher time frames, either a wave B or a wave 2. And if you're looking for longs and this just keeps on trending up, then that definitely shouldn't create any problems. Even though I do suspect that it's either an A or 1, B or 2, and that it should go down for a C or a 3. If we're looking for longs and it never proves that the correction is over and we just keep on looking for longs, that definitely should not create any issues for us. If anything, we'll just make more money looking for longs the whole way up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.